Hello, beauty hackers! When it comes to the do's and don'ts of lipstick, our lips are totally not sealed. Here's all you need to know. First, don't skip the moisturizer before applying liquid lipstick. Do start with a layer of lip balm. Then use a wet wipe to gently scrub your lips and remove any dead skin. Please don't roughen or dry out your lips with a makeup remover wipe. Instead, use a natural oil like coconut, olive, or sweet almond oil. To combat those cakey lips, don't go overboard with a matte lipstick. Do outline your lips with lipstick and blend it inwards with your fingers. Don't apply one light shade. Do use a darker shade pencil for your outline. Then apply your lipstick and blend. You shouldn't press your lips together when you're applying liquid lipstick. You should press them together when you're using a cream lipstick to even out the color. Make sure to apply liquid lipstick to the top lip and to the bottom lip individually. Wait for the liquid lipstick to dry before pressing your lips together. Mismatching colors are usually not a cute look. Try using a burgundy lip pencil. Start by applying it to the outer corners. Then go in with a red lipstick. Applying your lipstick too quickly and unevenly? That's a definite don't. Do outline the shape of your lips, starting at the center and working your way out. Then do the fill-in. Applying gloss over your matte lipstick will prevent it from drying properly. Don't do it! Use lip balm first. Then apply your matte lipstick. How many of these hacks will you use to crush your next lip look? Let us know and see you next time!